Today I'm making a Yule Log, and this is not just an ordinary one. This is a Ferrero Rocher Yule Log. All the textures and flavors you find in the Ferrero Rocher, the favorite Italian hazelnut filled chocolate, and all this I'm trying to bring into this Yule Log. Welcome to Kish Pastry. This is the recipe for chocolate sponge sheets, and this is really easy. First start whipping the eggs. Do it in medium speed. And after add the caster sugar. Let it beat. I want it to be fluffy and pale in color. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Meantime, I'm shifting this plain flour, cocoa powder and baking powder all together. Always try to shift the dry ingredients. It helps to mix all together nicely. Enough now, fluffy and light my mix. Time to fold in the dry ingredients. Gently fold in with the spatula. Rest of the dry ingredients. This recipe will give you 2 sheets of chocolate sponge. Last, the butter, and I got this tray lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly, and these sponge sheets I'm gonna bake at 180 Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Spread evenly. It's time to bake the sheets. My sponge sheet is ready, still warm. I'm trying to take off the parchment paper. Do it when it's warm, it's easier. Do it gently. And it's still warm, and I want to roll it out and keep it aside. This is Italian buttercream. It's so creamy and good to decorate your cakes. It gives a smooth finishing to your cakes. So again, you have to make the Italian meringue for this buttercream. So I'm gonna cook this sugar, granulated sugar, with a little bit of water. I have to bring it to 118 Celsius. And meantime, get your egg whites into the bowl. And make sure bowl is clean, no fat, no water. Start whipping in medium speed. And my sugar is ready. Increase the speed and pour it in one stream from the side of the bowl. Let it whisk. This around 5 to 7 minutes. Stiff Italian meringue now. Bring it to, wait till it come to the room temperature, then you start adding the butter. Butter need to be in room temperature, soft. Keep adding the butter. Wait till the meringue comes to the room temperature, otherwise it's going to be liquidy, the buttercream. Now you can see it's getting creamier. Creamy, shiny buttercream. This is so light, and you can check my French buttercream recipe in my previous video that made with egg yolks. The French buttercream is so rich, and this Italian one is very nice and very smooth to decorate cakes, and it's light. This is dark chocolate. I'm adding to my buttercream. I want to make this buttercream more chocolatey, rich in chocolate. Scrape the bowl always. You can see the buttercream, so creamy. I'm adding more chocolate, and this is roasted hazelnuts I'm chopping. So in a Ferrero Rocher, you know, you get crunchy hazelnuts, creamy hazelnut filling, and the crispy wafer shells and chocolate. So all these elements I'm trying to bring here. So this is white chocolate wafer pieces. I'm mixing hazelnut wafer pieces and the melted white chocolate. And Nutella. Mix all by hand, it's better. It's crispy, crunchy, hazelnutty and chocolatey. My Ferrero Rocher mix. This goes in the middle of the Yule Log. Spread evenly. Next layer of buttercream. Now start rolling. Gently keep rolling it. It tends to crack because you got a lot of nuts and wafer pieces. So do it gently. Even it's cracked, don't worry. You can cover with the buttercream. I'm going to keep this in the fridge. Log is out from the fridge. Now I'm going to build up this log. Get that log shape. Spread your buttercream. I got darker and lighter buttercream. Join all these pieces. After you cover with the buttercream, place it in the fridge to set. Some chocolate on top. This is white fondant I'm using to make some mushrooms. You can do with meringue also. Dark chocolate to brush under the mushroom. Some cocoa powder on top. I got some tempered chocolate. I'm making some decorations for this Yule Log. Some tempered chocolate on a tray. I had to make some chocolate curls to decorate the log. Log is out from the fridge. Time to decorate. This is a must have for this Christmas Yule Log. This is chocolate soil I made with plain flour, butter, cocoa powder and sugar. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Check my other videos too. Subscribe my channel. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments and I will see you with another video.